Clicking on the Spelling Ability Test Results tab displays the latest Spelling Ability Test result, showing the answers provided and errors made. The Spelling Ability Test comprises of 110 questions in total, so a 69% on the test result, for example, would give a Spellzone score of 76. Note that the test starts at question 23. This is because this is the first question that is linked to the Spellzone main course. If a student progresses quickly without early errors, they can continue until the words become more complex. However, if errors are made early on, the test seamlessly moves back to questions relating to the starter course. This is designed to streamline the test for all students, catering to various levels. You can view previous test results. This helps to track progress and identify any similarities. You can read more about the Spelling Ability Test and how it works by clicking on the Spellzone Guides link at the bottom of every page.